Hello and welcome to another Hello with Analysis. So today I want to talk about gold, right? And why I think that gold is actually very bullish. Okay, so over here, let me just recall what I have done previously for gold, which I mentioned that gold is going higher, and this is on the 6th of May. Okay. So since then, what has happened? I believe 6th of May is around here, right? So it has moved up and then moved down again. Okay, so previously I thought that this is um the fifth wave, right? But because it's too short, so I adjust it a bit, and this entire move becomes a third wave, right? So it's the fifth of a third, and we have completed the fourth, right? So over here, let's look at the big picture again. Okay, so on the daily time frame, we see that from September 2011 until um, the 31st of July 2020, right, a 9 years move that forms a very big cup over here, right, and in the middle of this cup at the bottom, which is somewhere December of 2015, it's actually the start of what I would call the wave one, right? So it lasted for about 5 years, wave one. So this whole 9 year move, right? Is actually in technical analysis is actually the part of the cup, right? And then since August 2020 to uh 31st August 2022, somewhere around this time, right? It forms the handle of the cup. Right, so this handle of the cup will then becomes our wave two. Okay, so over here, if I have to put it in, let me just put it in. This is actually wave one, right? And let's have a bigger font for this, right? So this is actually our wave one, right? The right side of the cup is a wave one, right? The handle itself is wave two, right? And since then, since last quarter of 2022, right, until 9th May 2023. Right, this is the wave one of three. And then from May 2023 to October 2023, right, so this is about 4 or 5 months of move, right? This is a wave two of three. Okay, and we have completed the wave three of three, and then based on this trend line, I believe we have also completed wave four. Okay, so Fibonacci study tells me that where can I expect this wave four to end, right? So before that, I need to confirm that wave three meets the target that is not the shortest wave. So based on wave one, it's not the shortest wave, right? And using this, where can I project where goal is going to be? Okay, so uh, let me just put in a line here first, right? So it's around 3025. So this is the first target, right? And if I project this up, right, note that wave could extend, wave five itself could extend as long as wave three is not the shortest wave. Can anything can happen to wave five? And using this, right, if we push this using wave one, right, we put it where I think the wave four has ended. We also get a very similar target of what is the number, 3045. So this becomes our second target, right? So it's slightly above 3000, right? So this is two Fibonacci extension that confirms that it should go above 3000. Now in order to do this, to have more confidence, right, what I will do next is I will use this I would say is kind of like a cycle level wave one, and see how far this wave three could go. So using this length of wave one and the bottom of wave two, let me just change this color to green. Okay, using these, we can see that wave one should at least go to 2600. Okay, let's see whether we have any other numbers here. So nowhere close to the previous one. Okay, so we know that this 2,600 is kind of like a minimum target. At least I'll put this as the minimum target over here, right? Because this wave three must at least go to this wave one. So this is a minimum target. And if I pull it down low here, this is just to see whether there are any resistance, right, that we can expect. So nothing means that there is actually not much value in keeping this anymore, since we have three numbers over here already. Now, over here we can see that if wave one, right, based on wave one of three, hits around 0.786, then it will be quite close to this 2,600. Right, so over here, let me just put it in as minimum target, right? And then over here, let me just change this line to be purple color. So over here, I would say projected target. Okay. So the reason why this is a projected target is really because I have two Fibonacci extension level around here, so it's around 3,000. So yeah. So how can we see what's really the potential for gold, right? It can be quite scary if you go into the weekly chart. You see this entire move, right? Since 1999, right? It has been moving up strongly. So over here, you can say that this is a wave three or even a wave one. So it doesn't really matter because this time frame is too long for trading, right? So what we are really concerned about here is this move. Even this move itself, this entire move, like 5 years move, is too big. So for gold, right? If you are a longer term investor, yeah, it's definitely a good to hold on to this, right? Part of your portfolio, because I believe it will continue to go up. Right now, we know that there's around 300 or $270 of potential, but also around 700 more to go. Right. So good luck in your trading, and this is the analysis for gold. Thank you.